here, and I'm going to show you how to play the A minor 7 open chord. Now this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now the first note we're going to play is on the 5th string. We're going to play that open A. And then the next note we're going to play is on the 4th string, or the D string. With a middle finger, we'll play that E. And then the 3rd string, or the G string, we're going to play that open. And then on the 2nd string, or the B string, with our index finger on the 1st fret, we'll play that C. And then on the 1st string, we'll play that open E. Now, if you wanted, you could also use your pinky finger and play that G. And when you pull it all together, it looks like this. And if you wanted to play it with that pinky finger on the 1st string, it would look like this. Again, that's your A minor 7 open chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.